Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create animated GIFs in Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Welcome to today's new tutorial video, and today I'll show you how to create a GIF here in Canva. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna have to go to canva.com, and then you will be directed into this platform right here. And to all of you guys that hasn't used the Canva yet, well, Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool used to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and more. And today is creating a GIF here in Canva for free. So let's get into it. So once you are in your Canva account, in order to create a GIF, what we can do is we can go to create a design, and then we can click on custom size. Or you can just search for a template here in the search bar and type in GIF. And it will take you right here to different templates available for GIFs. And what is a GIF? A GIF is a kind of image file that showcases brief animations, mainly utilized to produce straightforward, repeating animations, and are commonly utilized for sharing compact video clips on the web or for giving more movement to graphics and text. So basically, we can create a lot of GIF ideas from like reaction GIFs, greeting GIFs, or even funny GIFs. All kinds of GIFs that you want to create. So I'll show you how to make one. We can use a blank template, or we can use these templates that are ready for us to use. And why don't we try this square template right here? You simply click this option, and over here you're gonna have to click this customize this template, and it will take us directly into the editor of Canva. And here on the left side panel of the screen, we have here the tools that we can use to edit our GIFs here in Canva. We have here the elements, text, brands, uploads, draw, projects, and lastly is the apps. But before we start, what I want to do here is I want to delete the recent template and just keep the layout so I can actually show you guys how to create a GIF from scratch. Let me just remove it for you here real quick. And then here we have this blank template that we can use to create a GIF here in Canva. What I want to do first is change the name of this GIF. As you can see here on top, we have current name for this GIF. So let's change it and let's do tutorial GIF for the name. Then next, as you can see, we don't have a nice background for our GIF. So to change that, just click this option right here where it says background color. And once you click this, you will have a lot of options here to choose from for your background color. Like you have the solid colors here, which are just pure solid. And then we have the gradients where it's like, it has fading effect into the background. Since I'm making a GIF for Christmas greeting, why don't we use this so that it relates to the Christmas spirit. And like once you have set this up, then here on this option, this is where you can edit the timing of your GIF. You can go from 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or even 20 seconds long GIF if you want to. But for this tutorial, let's just stick with 5 seconds here. Once we are all set up with the first step, then we can now head on to the next step, which is decorating our GIF. To do that, we're gonna click the elements and we're gonna be spending most of our time here. So from here, this is where you can add shapes, images, stickers, photos, and videos to your GIFs. Like for example, if you go to the stickers, you have a lot of options here that you can use for your GIF. And over here, we have a nice Merry Christmas sticker that is just perfect for this GIF. So to add this into the GIF, just simply click the sticker and it will be added shortly into your project. And you can just click the circle button to resize your sticker. Then I want to position this at the middle of my project, so here is probably good. And we just put the first design into our GIF. The next thing you can do is to add more stickers into it. I mean, what's Christmas season if there will be no GIFs, right? So why don't we search GIF stickers and find a nice sticker to put into the project. And as you can see, you have all these moving stickers that you can choose from to put into your GIF. And here I want to add this opening GIF sticker because it looks lively. Then I will just gonna resize and place it on the bottom right corner of the GIF. So we are all set up from here. Next thing is I'm gonna add a cake sticker to sweeten up the GIF. Once again in the search bar, just type in cake stickers and you will have choices that you can choose from the results. And this one is actually nice. Why don't we add this to the GIF? Let me just resize this one as well and place it on the bottom left corner of the screen. So that's good. Now the last thing that I'm going to put is I want to add a Sunday text to my gift. Once again, just go to your search bar and type in Sunday. Then let's go to the graphics and click see all. Over here, you have a lot of options again to choose from for your GIF. I kinda like this one, so I'm going to add this into my project. And I'm going to place it on top, and that's just perfect. And so we just created a GIF here in Canva. And once you are satisfied with the GIF and you're ready to save it, on the upper right corner of the screen, you can click on the share button and then click the download option, and you're gonna change the file type. As you click on it, you will have options here, and you're gonna need to click the GIF option, which is short clip with no sound. And then just click the download button and wait for it to completely download. And once it is completed, we can now check on the final product that we made. So as you can see, in just so easy steps, you can create your own GIF here in Canva. And now I want to show you an example of very easy GIF to make here in Canva. So once again, let's set up the background color for the GIF. Let's click this option right here, and you can choose the background color from here. Let's set this one up to a yellow color. And then over here, we have the timing. And once again, this is where you can adjust the timing of your GIF. Let's just leave it like that. And then we go to the elements, and on the search bar, we're gonna type in free. Then we go to the graphics and then see all. And this one should be perfect for this GIF. And I'm just gonna move it around and resize it. And that should be perfect. And next, I wanna add a new video text. And then once again, just type it in on the search bar. Then click the see all option, and you will get a lot of choices there that you can choose from. But for me, I will be using this Instagram design sticker. And then we just click on this option, and it will be added shortly into the GIF. And then let's just set this on the bottom part, and here should be perfect for that. Then for the last thing, we can just add a sparkling effect into this GIF. And once again, to do that, just type it in on the search bar, and you will have a lot of options here that you can choose from. But for me, I will just use these two to add into my GIF. And as you can see, I have created a GIF in just a very short time that I can use to upload on my social media platforms. In just a minute, I created a GIF here in Canva. But there's still so much things that you can do once you're on the actual website of Canva. You can figure things for yourself, and you can be creative as you want. Always remember that nothing will stop you except your imagination. So if you have a lot of imagination, nothing will stop you. And that's basically it for today's tutorial, and I hope I helped somehow and made a difference. If you guys have any idea or suggestions, just comment down below. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.